This 2009 Itasca Navion IQ24DL is a Class C RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2009 Itasca Navion IQ24DL is built on a Dodge Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.